So this is the continuation of the previous video. So previous video we faced some issue. So I'm just going to work with that issue. So again I'm giving two multi-level list, and second heading means 1.1. So I'm giving OK. And again we have to change the indentation. So I'm just changing it and giving OK. But here again we are noticing some issues, right? So manually I'm setting it to 3.2. It is possible through work also, but I'm just moving it manually. Then first we can just work with table of contents, and then with the figures, and also next with table. So first I'm giving this heading as table of contents. If you want the center means you can just change it, and what are the fonting and the number you are preferring, you can just change it. And now as of now I'm just giving this only. Then I'm just moving to the references tab. Here I'm clicking this table of contents. In this I'm just moving to um, custom table of contents. Here this is what it will be coming. The tab leader I have given dot. So here first we can work with the dot itself, and I am giving OK. So if you want to change this, now you may notice that the table of contents page number is displayed automatically. And usually this table of contents will make in a separate page only. So others I'm just moving to the next page. Now you may notice the page numbers is changed. So it is also easy to work with this change page number. First we can just change this. If you don't want this dot means, how we can work with it, I will just work for that. I'm just moving to this table of contents, and here again I'm clicking customs, that is the same thing only. Then the tab leader, what you or mean, what do you want, that you can give. If none means also you can give this also. So here I'm just giving none. Then I'm giving OK. Before that we can give modify, because so TOC is heading 1, TOC 1 is heading 1, TOC 2 is heading 2. So here I'm just going to change the fonting. So I'm just giving Times New Romans. Size also you can change, if you need means you can change. So size I'm just giving to 12. And then if you want to change some other things also, like before and after also you can change multiple. Then left right also you can change. Hanging if you want to give means also you can change. But these are the specifications I need, so I'm just giving like this only. Then I'm giving OK. And again also you have to give OK. And then yeah, we have, if you want to change the second heading, that is TOC2 also, then you can move to this modify. Click that, then click to modify. Then here I'm just moving to Times New Roman. Then if you want to give bold, if for example if heading 1 only you have to give bold means, you can do that also. So before that I'm just moving to paragraph. Here left we have to give some space, because if you don't need also you can just leave it. But usually after level 1 heading, for level 2 we will give some space. No, for that I'm just giving the space. Others if you what are the indentations you need, you can change as per that. Then I'm clicking OK. Again we have to click OK. Before that if you want to give this thing as bold means, you can just click this and then OK. And finally I'm giving OK. So here also I'm OK. So the since we have made some modifications, this table will occur, that is replace this table of contents. So if you don't means, you can click cancel, but we need it. No, so I'm giving OK. Now if you see means, the page number is also changed, right? You can see this. But you can also change this by some other ways also. I will also show like that also. So again you have to click this table of contents. sorry, to change automatically can just move to this update table. Here I'm giving update table. If you want to just change the entire table means you can give update entire table, but the update page numbers only means you can click this and give OK. So if there is any changes in page number means it will be changed. So for an 100 pages thesis this will be helpful for you, but here if you notice means that dot is again it is present, right? So I think it is not ended, so I'm just moving none, but none is not coming I think. So again we can give OK. I think it will work. So yeah, it is working in TOC2 only. So now we have to move with custom things, and here because we have given TOC2, it is coming with TOC2 only. Again we have can give none, so I think it will be changed. Actually it will change, but I don't know why it is not changing. Here also it is not coming, right? So we can just click this tab header. So it is some technical issue only, but we can change it. Now if you see means it is changed. Okay, and then I'm changing it. Here it is changing. It is just technical issue. If you need this changed thing in a next video means just intimate me. I'll make it an intimate next video. But this is what the simple procedure. By this you can make the table of contents. In the next video, I will just make you to work with table of figures and table of tables.